Hi everyone, myself Arun. In this video, I will explain about my e-auction project. So as you can see, this is a e-auction like non-user dashboard. Okay, so here you can see login to start bidding. So after you can see some type of options which are I have already added in my options. So here you can choose as your wish categories. So if you click on electronics, it will redirect to the electronics items only, and it will show which type of options are there in electronics. So as like same as vehicles and furniture. So if you have not logged into your this website, you don't have the access to start a bidding here. So what's the thing is you have to log in first to raise a bidding in my options. So for that, you have to click on start bidding. So then you click on to login page. If you have already logged registered, so you can log in here, or else you can click register here. So after registering here, you can go to login. So after you have successful login, you will be redirected into the dashboard. So for example, I have provided mail, and if I go forgot my password, when you click on forgot my password, it will redirect it to the another page, and here you have to enter your email and send a link. At that time, the mail will be sent to your mail, and at that time you have to click that link and you have to change the password. First, I have three dashboards here in my e-auctions table, like the project. So first one is like user, and the user is nothing but buyer, and the seller, and also the last one is admin. Okay, so first we will see about the user dashboard now. So let's open it. So this is the user dashboard. Here user can see which type of options there, and and all according to categories and all. You can see these are unlocked. So when you logged in, so here I have added dashboard here. So this dashboard represents how many bits you placed, how many options have you won, and how many total bits you have placed. Okay, so next these chat about which how much amount you have placed at what time. So and also this is how what is your highest bid and what is your lowest bid. So after that this is win auctions for the furniture you have win an auction, right? So that's why it is displaying only one. So this is about a purchase history by electronics and furniture. Like electronics are 4 and furniture is 6. That means you raised a bids. Okay, so the next functionality is, for example, some buyers also want to raise their bid, sell their items, right? So at that time, they want to click create here. Okay, when they click create here, they can fill all the details like title, description, start and reserve price, category, start time, end time, and images here. We can upload multiple images here also. Okay, so and after that when he go to the browse, so he can redirect to the dashboard, and here you can see all type of options here. So when the auction is live, you can see the live button here. When the auction is ended, you can see this auction was ended. So if you click on this view auction, here you can see the countdown, countdowns, still 23 hours and 11 minutes 26 seconds left for this bidding. So for example, same as other products also. For example, this auction. So this has 1 day, 1 hour, and 14 minutes left. So if we see a laptop, so these also count time. For example, 1 hour, 13 minutes, 90 9 seconds, something like that. So and last one is my options. So if I create any options here, it will be displayed here. So right side, we have seen what are the bids I have placed and what is the amount I have placed here. Okay, for the Casio vintage watch, I have raised a bid of 104 rupees, and for the noise earbuds, 101, watch is 3000, and chair is 53 rupees. Okay, so here you can see if you want to consult any admin, any issues you have, so you can click here. For example, help center. So this is like help center, like you can see like what is the frequently asked questions or contact support. So you can click on contact support, like frequently asked questions. Here you can see some type of questions which you don't know how to raise a wage and how to register and how to like contact like seller and all. Okay. So and here like contact. So when you go to the contact here, so you can provide your mail and name and also message here. So when you send the message, like admin will receive your message and he will reply to you within a short time only. Okay. So and the like next one is when you go to here the profile, so you can I have added like a profile picture and also username. So if you want to like change your profile picture, you can choose file, like choose file, and you can update your profile picture here. So and the next one is like we can go to browse here and by clicking on view option. So for this like 1 hour 24 minutes left, right? So as of now we have not seen any pay now button here. So at the time was like ended, and who are the bids raised. So let's for the like current bid is 400. Just for example, we can raise a bid of 401 here. Okay, so our bid was placed, and presently the highest bidder was like Ravikant. So that's me right now, the user. So like for example, if you click on like message seller, you can chat with the seller now. Okay, so like if you're not with like you are not the highest bidder right now, so but you cannot at that time you cannot chat with the seller. Okay, so at that time you like it will be show like only like highest bidder can message the seller. Okay, so the next one is like rate seller. So you can rate the seller like according to their products, and also like if you have any disputes, like you can raise here and submit the dispute. For these disputes, admin will like reply back to you. So like this is the like user dashboards and all. So as of now, like a pay now button is not there because like countdown is not yet completed, right? So for that, like we have to open our like seller dashboard. So there we have to there we will update this timing, and I can show you at that time pay now button will be added, and we can go through the payment like with the razor pay. Okay, so and also if you want any like a chart options, like you can click here the chat assistant, AI chat assistant. Like you can, for example, you don't know how to register. When I click like register, it will show you the link, and same as like how do I place a bid. So go to the options, you can place a bid. So after that, like when you contact support, like it will be read to that page. For example, if you want something, for example, hi, if you like, for example, say the hi. So like it will display how can I assist you. So for example, auctions. Okay, so when you display the options, like if the AI is not like understanding your way, so it is asking us to like type browse. So when you type browse, like it will show like what are the like options are available now. So these are the latest options and all. So for example, if you want to know like a particular auction, so if you want to ask for details and an auction ID, for example, detail space the auction id for this like a dell like auction id was 18, and also like apple iphone was like 19. For suppose detail space 19, so when you click here 19, like it will show like what are the details like title, description, price, status, like start date and also end date, along with the images. For example, if you want like dell laptop, so like that means to know about the dell laptop, you can type here like details. For example, the Dell laptop ID was 18. So since like this is the like features of like Dell laptop title, description and all. Okay, so this is how the AI will help you to like search the options and all here. So for now, like if you like we want to see the pay now button, right? So for that we have to update the countdown here. So first log out the user, and we will log in the seller dashboard now. So, like this is the seller dashboard. So first I will explain these dashboard, like dashboards and all, like this complete page. So at that after like later on, we will update like countdown, and we can see that the time the payment and all. Okay. So this is the user dashboard. Here you can see like which are the options are there. And when you go to the dashboard, here you can see like top options by bits, like for which which options has raised mostly. For the cashew, like 4 bits are raised. And options by category you can see here for the electronics one and furniture one. So and you can see like my options are 2 and total bits are 4. Okay, so then if you want to go like if you want to create, you can create the option here. And for example, if you want to browse, like you can see like which type of options are there here. So in this page we are like seeing this only 3 options is available here. So what about these remaining 2 options? Totally here fine. So they like it is showing only 3 options because like remaining 2 options were not added by this seller. Okay, so for suppose you click on view details, like for example, this is the auction he has added. Okay, so you cannot bid on your own auction. Okay, we cannot like bid on our own auction, right? So that's why I have like displayed here like this. So you can update the timing here. Okay, so go back. And the next one is when you go to my auctions, like you can see how many auctions you have bid and how many auctions you have created. So here you can see cash vintage watch and chaircraft dining like chair, right? So for example, if you want to buy this chair, so go to the update timings. Like for example, today is 29, right? So go to today 29 and the time is 4:59. So we can select like 5 2. Okay, 5 1 or else. Okay, so then after like update the auction, the auction will be updated. So if we go to like a dashboard, and after that like remaining options are all same, and this one is like a toggle button. And also like I have set the set for the chatbot also for the toggle button. So next one is here you can see profile I have already shown in the user. So next we will log in as a user and see login. Click on the user and password. So view auction. So for this auction, like nearly 42 seconds left. So here you can see like for this, like no bits are there, right? So first for this we have to place a bid. For example, 101. So place a bid. So now you are the highest bidder. So previously it has shown like only seller like highest bidder can message to a seller. Like if you see now, like you can message to a seller now. Okay, so after completion of this time, the auction will be ended. So at that time, like you will be proceed to the payments now. Okay, so we will see that. So 6 more seconds left, 5 seconds. So when the auction was ended, like it will be enabled, the pay now button will be enabled. So when you click on pay now button, so it will be redirect to the another page. Okay. So when it will be redirected to the another page, it will show like how much amount you need to pay. Okay. So complete the payment for chair and crab dining chair, like amount was 101. When you click on pay now, so it will open the Razor Pay app. And after that, you have to provide your like your phone pay ID, YBL, or not, for example, Chittimal@YBL, verify and pay. So basically, this is a test mode. So because like we cannot access our or localhost application with the Razor Pay. When we deploy our project at that time only, we will use like we can access this Razor Pay. Okay, so this is the test mode. Verify and pay. So when you click on like this, so it will send you a notification to your phone pay, and there you have to do a payment. Okay, so like after successful payment, it will show like this payment successful. And after that, like it will redirect, you will redirect to the your current page here. So like for example, it will showing here like payment was successful, thank you for your purchase. Okay, so if you go to the your auctions now, and you can see like the auctions you have purchased was will be deleted here. Okay, so this is the process of buyer and seller. So and also I have a like another dashboard here. So that is an admin. We will log in as an admin now. So that is around. So this is the admin panel. So like these are all same. So like what's the difference is like here you can see overview, disputes and messages. So when you click on overview, like you can edit the user, delete the user, and you can modify the users and all. Okay. So when you like go to the disputes page, so here like at the time like when I logged in a user, like I have showed you like how to raise a like disputes. Okay, so at that time the disputes will be raised, so it will be handled here. Okay, so now it is open, right? So when we have to click edit, and for example, if you solve the dispute, so click on solve, resolve, and update it. It will be resolved here. Okay, so like the next, like if you want to delete this like dispute, you can delete this dispute here. Okay, so the next one is messages. So like in help, when you contact, so the messages will be appear here. So for example, if you go to like unreplied, so who which you have not replied to your like users, so those will be displayed here. So when you will reply, so those messages will be like displayed like this. So this is an user message. Okay, like from Arun Ravikant, like Ravikant 0920 mail, we have got a message like, how do I sell my products? So for the admin reply is you have to like you have the form, there you can add your auction items. Okay, this was replied on like 22/5/2025. Okay, at the time of 2:35. Okay. So for coming to dashboards, this is their admin dashboard, like how many total users are there, like live actions, active actions like bids, and also like resolved disputes, how many, and open disputes, how many. So if you go to here, like this is a resolved dispute, like if you keep in open, like it will be showed as open disputes. So like these two guys are the top bidders, like one is Ravikant 12 bits and like Arun, he is about 2 bits. Okay, so this like this graph is about like top auctions by category for the like electronic items only. We have like five bits. So remaining furniture two and also like vehicle is one. So this is about the admin panel. Thank you.